Today, we're going to bring in a TV LED light. It's a backlight, and this is perfect for those that are going to be playing games or watching movies. And we're going to set up on our TV and see how beautiful it lights up. So let's go ahead and review a couple things. HDMI 1, all right, HDMI, USB to USB, type A to type A, and then the USB A to type C, if you guys can see that. Put that there. Instructions, power cord, and two boxes, the converter that's going to control all the LED lights, including the LED lights, another power set, and clips to make sure that you clip it on, and double-sided adhesive so you can set this up on our TV. We're going to set it up on our TV and see how well it works, and we're going to wire it and follow the instructions. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the actual box itself. You need power, and I'm running power off the TV, HDMI to the actual system, to the laptop. If you can see, I have it on my laptop. HDMI to the TV, and then a USB to the actual box that syncs up. Now on the box itself, you do need to sync it up, and then make sure you run the actual LED lights on the side of the TV, all around the side of the TV, so it can mimic the lighting as you want it. Just tie down the corners if you can, and tangle it up. I got power source coming out of another box here, so you do need two power sources to actually run it. Now let's take a look at the actual software. All right, what we got to do is we got to download the application called Smart Life, and you actually find it in the actual manual. You guys can see I have the Smart Life manual. We click on it and we start downloading. Once you register it, you set up your Bluetooth, and you got to make sure you're on 2.4 hertz, right? So we're actually logging in right now. We're looking at the Smart Lives, and we're going to see if we could get it through. So we're going to hit plus, hit the plus, add device, and it's going to start downloading automatically. All right, we're syncing up right now, so automatically make sure you're on 2.4 hertz. We're downloading, it's doing its updates. As soon as it's done, we're going to sync it up, and we're going to plug in a laptop or a computer or a gaming console. You could do either or, and we're going to be able to control the lights. If you guys can see the lights right now, so they go all around the TV, and we're going to test it out and do a demo. All right, let's take a look at the software. You guys can see I have it in blue, and I'm going to focus on a couple things. If you guys can see, I'm going to change it to red here, so you can manually change the actual setting of the actual light. That's a manual thing too. You could change anything. You could write certain things on the application. You could go to certain changes. If you guys can see, look at that. So you could mimic however you want in the actual video. Look at that, flashing lights. And then they have music here, so you could change it to jazzy. So we're gonna put jazz and see how it looks. So in jazz, look how it's gonna sound. Anything you talk around your surroundings, it's gonna mimic. And of course, we come back in here and we can sync up your phone to your actual laptop.